everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up something pretty exciting. So I have two things actually to open today. So I have the regular Bolzano, I say regular, but the Bolzano handbag and accessory subscription, which I receive every month. But I also have the Bolzano limited edition holiday gift set, which is extra exciting. So I have two big bags to open. So I love this subscription, so this is extra exciting, but I'm thinking today we'll start with the gift set, so I'll tell you all about that, and then we will get into the subscription part. But before we get started, I just want to remind you all that today is the very last day to enter my 7,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you have not yet entered, that link is down below. All right, so if you have not seen any of my past unboxings of Bolzano, well, first I'll leave down below my playlist so you can see all of the beautiful bags I have received. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So Bolzano is a handbag company and they have several subscription options. So the subscription option I have today, that's the handbag and the accessory subscription, so it's $33.95 a month, and you get a beautiful handbag, and they're such good quality every month, and then 2 to 3 accessories. So I've been loving that one. So we're gonna open that in just a bit. But first, let's talk about their limited edition gift set. This is super exciting. This is the first I've seen them do this. So this is limited edition, so it's only available while supplies last. And this seriously would make the perfect gift. So it is $39 with free shipping, so that's pretty affordable for what you get. Just listen. So you get one handbag, and you get to actually choose the bag. When I looked online just before filming, there are 3 options, and they're beautiful. One I know at least is made out of genuine leather. It looks like they all are, but definitely check those out if you want to see them. Link below. I'll link the holiday set and the actually the subscription link as well. So along with the pre-selected bag, you also get 3 jewelry pieces, and then you get 1 beauty or skincare item. You also get to include with your gift a thoughtful message. So this is great. So you get an amazing handbag, 3 pieces of jewelry, a beauty or skincare item for $39, and it has much more value. We'll see soon, but yeah. If you haven't seen their handbags before, I've been loving them. I have so many now since I've been getting it monthly, and I love my handbag subscription. So let's start with the unboxing now. So the gift, it comes in a duster bag. They both do, so you can store your bag in here, do whatever you want. There's a little handle, so maybe you can use it as a tote bag, you decide. So the bag I received is right here. So this is one of the 3 options I saw online for the holiday gift set. So this is what it looks like. I think this is so cute. I love the handles. There's zippers that have the Bolzano little logo there. So and then I can feel like it's stuffed. So let's see what the inside is like. So obviously it's zipper opening, which I like because I've dropped stuff out of my bag before, and that is just devastating when you find out your favorite lipstick just rolled away to who knows where. I'm gonna take out the stuff inside. They're all wrapped super cute, by the way, and show you that the bag also has a chain that comes with it, so you can wear it in multiple ways. So you can just use it, like just hold the handles like this, or you can wear it crossbody. So let me attach these so I can show you how that is. So there's just like a little clip here, so you can easily put this on. And there you have crossbody bags. So awesome. I love that there are 2 different ways to wear it. It's kind of like almost like having 2 different bags. This is what the inside looks like, and there is a zipped pocket inside. And this is actually like pretty spacious. You can fit a lot in there, like all the necessities, like your wallet, phone, makeup, even more. So if you want to know this style, it says in the inside, it says Mini Berry Lovely Black. This is item 8140 if that helps you pick. But again, there's just 3 options, so you'll be able to see online. And then there's this little card in here that also is like, I think it's like their authenticity card. Let's see. So it says, Bolzano luxury and sophisticated embodied for the modern cosmopolitan individual. Experience a chic style of leather accessories, an essential part of one's attire designed to complement your every look. The perfect fit, just the right number of compartments, keep it all together, excellent construction, excellent fabrics. They really do have great construction. I've never had like any issues with any of the bags I've received, like not one. So this bag just sits up on its own perfectly too. So yeah, so this is the handbag that's included in the gift set. Now let's see what came inside. So everything is wrapped cute like I showed you before. It's tied up in a bow, and it says, when life gets muddy, may you learn to make a mask. Oh, so this is the beauty item. So isn't that so cute how this is packaged? I love when you get a gift that has like multiple like things inside that you also get to unwrap, so it's like multiple gifts like this. It's so fun. So inside this is mud scrub, charcoal, and tea scrub / mask. Oh cool, so it's like a dual function. You could use it as a scrub or keep it on longer as a mask. I love stuff like this. So this is vegan, natural, eco-friendly, and cruelty-free. It says, make your skincare work overtime. Knock out your beauty routine in one hit. Mud scrub is a cleanser, scrub, and mask all in one. Activated charcoal, tea tree, and kaolin clay works together to detox and refine your skin. It's perfect for normal, combination, or oily skin. Awesome, this would make such a great gift. I love giving masks as gifts, but this is also a scrub, and I love facial scrubs. I'm all about exfoliating, so this is awesome. So now let's get into like the jewelry portion. So it says, may you soar like a butterfly. And again, wrapped super cute. Oh, so that butterfly did give like a little hint. So here is the jewelry card, and it says Sophia on it. So I think that's maybe the brand. But look how well this is packaged. The 3 items come all together, so it's a set. So we have a butterfly necklace, beautiful butterfly earrings, and then a bracelet. And they all have these beautiful like crystal gemstones. I love how it's like coordinated but like not too matchy. Like the bracelet's pretty simple, and then you have those like stud butterfly earrings and then the butterfly necklace to go with it. And the packaging of this is so pretty. I don't think I really showed you very well. So it opens, it's like pink. So I love this packaging too. So yeah, so that is everything that I got in my holiday gift set. Again, it is limited edition, so I'm gonna link them down below. And this is one of the bag choices that you get to pick. I love that you get to pick the bag so you can kind of select it like to your liking, because you know, you can get this as a gift to yourself. It doesn't have to be for someone else or whoever you're gifting to it, like what you think they will like the best. So again, this is what I received, and then the mud scrub and the jewelry. So yeah, this is available while quantities are around, so definitely check that out if you're interested. I think it's great value and a great gift. Like, who doesn't love purse, jewelry, and beauty products? But anyways, let's move on now to the actual subscription. So this is what I open every month. So again, it comes in a duster bag. It says Bolzano on it. On here it says, Bolzano, you deserve to be spoiled. I love that mindset. Yes, you do. Oh my God, you guys, I think, seriously, I feel like every month the subscription, it gets even better. I love this. So this is the bag I received this month. I love the color of this. It's like a beigey gray. Like, I don't even know how to describe this. I mean, it's obviously more like gray, but I don't know. So it says Bolzano right here. There is a zipper on the back, and the top of it zippers as well. This even has like a purple tone to it. I don't know, I can't decide what color I think this is. But there is a little Bolzano logo. You can detach that if you want. So yeah, let's get this open and see what's inside. I love this. So yeah, so here is the zipper. And on the inside, there's some like bubble wrap, a note about the product, and then it also comes with a strap, so you can just hold it like this, or again, you can make it more like a crossbody bag. I love that they always give you the option, and you can just like clip it on to what's actually attached to down. There's little loopholes there. And you can actually adjust these straps too, the smaller ones. That is also awesome. So on the inside, there are 2 open pockets, and then 1 zip pocket. So it's very spacious. Awesome. And again, there's that back zipper. So let's see what they say on this little card. So it looks like it came in a variety of colors. It says, congratulations. This month we've chosen our Letitia especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $178. Wow. Letitia is part of our new fall collection. It comes in pewter, almond, and royal blue. Oh, so this is what pewter is? You know, I'll be honest, I've heard like that color before, but I never really knew what it was. So now I know. So yeah, those are the other colors you could have gotten. I obviously got that one. They're all cute, but I'm happy I got the one I received. I would have liked the blue too, I think. Or, yeah, all of them. So what we love about this bag, it has sturdy handles, convenient long strap, a zipper back pocket, purse feet, top zipper closure, inside multifunctional pockets, and buckle straps. Awesome. And on the back it says, have you signed up for our companions? So Bolzano offers an option that's called Purse Companions, so you can get some beauty items included as well. I think it's just like an additional like $8 to $10. I can leave that information down below. And then there is some information here as well that I think is helpful. It says, what if I want a different color or style? You can always exchange your bag for a different color or style. If the bag was sent, was not one of your selected preferences, the exchange is complimentary. If it was within your preferences and you would still like an exchange, you'd simply pay shipping. So when you first sign up, you do fill out a profile and you give them your preferences for like colors, bags, shape, bag type, and all of that. So yeah, so you can either switch it out for free for another bag if they didn't send you what fit your profile, but if it did fit your profile, then all you have to do is pay shipping for an exchange. So the exchange is always an option. And it says, how can I tweak my style for next month? I would like different attributes in the product sent. It says you can access your style profile anytime on their website. So you just go log in to your account and it's located in the footer of their page and say update style questionnaire. So that was a great little information tidbit to provide there. So let's see what the accessories are. There's something I think is really cool. I've never gotten this. So it looks like it's like a little wallet and it says go for it girl. And then it has some like little slips for credit cards, or you can put like some cash in the bigger one. I like stuff like this when I'm wearing smaller purses, especially because my actual wallet's pretty large. But it says, go for it girl card. Carry this card as a reminder of everything you're capable of, all the things you can do to make a difference in your own life and in that of others. Bolzano is making a difference during Down Syndrome Awareness Month by donating to the Down Syndrome Foundation. That is so amazing. Oh, they're awesome. And then on the back it has like some words of encouragement. It says, do something amazing. You are brave and strong. Do something for yourself. You are worthy. You deserve it. Do something for someone special. Your actions and words can make a difference. Do something that makes you smile or laugh out loud. Remember, only you can control your happiness. Do something each day you can be proud of. Go for it, girl. I love stuff like that. I love words of encouragement. They really are helpful when you're feeling down and stuff like that. Like some people might think it's cheesy or whatever, but I love stuff like that. So awesome. And then we have some jewelry pieces in here. Let me get them out. So we got a ring, which I just dropped on the floor, but I picked it up. This is really unique and cool. And this is one that seems like it could be like adjusted so it can fit anyone. I like that. It's really different. I like getting pieces that are different from like others that I have in my collection already. I always say collection, but I guess it is a jewelry collection, right? But I like this. I wonder if it would even fit in the middle. So yeah. So this even fits my middle finger, so I like that I can like wear this with other pieces as well. And then we received a jewelry piece that it coordinates well with this, I think. So it's also like the silver, and this is a layered necklace. This is really unique too. So they're like different circles. One is filled in, so the top layer is like a filled in circle, silver plated, and then two open circles intertwined, and then one big one. I think that's awesome. I like this. It has like the lobster clasp. I said clap. Like fall around here. I think this is cool. I like this. Awesome. So that is everything that came in the handbag and accessory subscription. Again, this one's $33.95. If you wanted to get it with the purse companions, I believe that price is like $43.95. And I have gotten that before, so if you want to check out my playlist that I mentioned before, you can see examples of that. But let's just do a quick little summary. So this is the bag. This is like one of my favorites. I can see myself just like wearing this all the time because it's big. I can fit like as much stuff as I need in there. I bet my MacBook would even fit if I had to. I usually don't bring it out with me, but if I was doing work somewhere else. And now I know what pewter is. So that was the bag, which I love, and it has a value of $178. It's crazy. And then we have the Go For It Girl little like wallet and words of encouragement, I would say, or like positive vibe. Gonna slip that right in so I have that when I need it. And then for jewelry, we have the ring and the necklace, which I think is really cool. I like that. I like the layered look. So yeah, that is everything. I love Bolzano handbag subscription. I know a lot of you guys do too. You told me you've gotten it. which is amazing. So if you do want to sign up for the subscription, you can use a code of mine to get a free gift when you subscribe. So this code doesn't get me anything or anything like that. It's not affiliated. It just gets you a free gift that has a $45 value. I will put the directions on how to do that below. It's not a code actually. You look it up and you like add it to your cart, but there's no charge for it. So yeah, $45 value. I think some people have told me in the past they got like these pretty clutches that were like shaped like a flower, so that's really cool. But I think it can vary. So yeah, if you're gonna subscribe, you might as well get a little gift out of it because you deserve it. And yeah, I'll also leave down the information for the limited edition gift. I think this is such a cute bag for holiday time. Like, I don't like to have big purses when I go out in the town. That sounds so dorky, but like when I go to parties and stuff like that. So I think this is great. Like, I think the bag in my subscription, this is great for like every day, but this is great for like holiday season and stuff like that. So if you know someone or if you want that gift, I think it's a great idea. $39 in free shipping. Get a purse, the 3 jewelry items, and this mask is really great too, so you get a beauty item as well. So yeah, so that is everything for today's video. This was super fun to open. Yeah, everything will be linked down below, like I probably said too many times. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.